Welcome back to GlowFitGuide, your go-to source for all things health and fitness. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of healthy eating with our guide. Healthy eating. Whether you're new to nutrition or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will provide you with the essential information you need to make informed choices about your diet. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics, let's talk about why healthy eating is so important. A balanced diet rich in nutrients not only fuels your body for optimal performance, but also supports overall health and well-being. From boosting energy levels to strengthening your immune system, the benefits of healthy eating are endless. Step 1. Understanding macronutrients. The foundation of a healthy diet lies in understanding macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy and can be found in foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues and can be found in foods like meat, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like tofu and lentils. Fats are important for hormone regulation, brain function, and nutrient absorption, and can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Now that we know the building blocks of a healthy diet, let's talk about portion sizes and creating balanced meals. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with lean proteins, and 1/4 with whole grains or starchy vegetables. This balanced approach ensures that you're getting a variety of nutrients while controlling portion sizes to maintain a healthy weight. Step 2. Reading food labels. One of the keys to making healthy food choices is knowing how to read food labels. Pay attention to serving sizes, ingredients, and nutritional information such as calories, fat, protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. Look for foods that are low in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Remember, the ingredient list is listed in descending order by weight, so choose products with whole, recognizable ingredients whenever possible. In addition to eating nutrient-dense foods, it's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and adjust your intake based on factors like activity level, climate, and individual hydration needs. Step 3. Building healthy habits. Healthy eating is about more than just what you put on your plate. It's about adopting lifestyle habits that support your overall well-being. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite, and avoiding distractions like screens or multitasking. Cook more meals at home using fresh, whole ingredients, and limit your intake of processed and fast foods. And finally, prioritize sleep, stress management, and regular physical activity to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In summary, healthy eating is the foundation of a vibrant and fulfilling life. By understanding macronutrients, reading food labels, staying hydrated, and building healthy habits, you can nourish your body, fuel your adventures, and thrive in every aspect of life. Stay tuned for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes here on GlowFitGuide. Until next time, remember to eat well, live well, and glow from the inside out.